In this lesson, we'll learn about designing borders and backgrounds. And as you can see on the screen, we have a simple database that has no formats applied to any of the numbers or the values in the cells. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this look nicer so that it's visually appealing, and maybe we can print it or present it in a way that it's easily readable. So let's talk about putting borders and backgrounds on our spreadsheets. So a background is anything that changes the color of a cell. As an example, let's highlight or select the months of the year from B4 through M4. And here is our fill color that's going to change the background color of that cell. If you click the drop down, you'll see all of the options that are available for our colors. And let's say that we want the background color of these cells to be this light blue color. So we're going to choose this blue, and now all of the cells that we had selected have a light blue fill color applied to them. Okay, we can select these items here and either choose a different color or the same color. Let's say we want that to be a lighter blue color. There we go. And now let's learn how to apply borders to these cells. So we would like to apply a border to the cells that we have selected. This is the border area, and there's a shortcut here. Currently the default is bottom border. If we click this button here, it's going to apply a thin black bottom border line to that selection. I went ahead and clicked it. You're not going to really visually see that change until you click away from your selection, and you'll see that there is a black bottom border that's been applied to that selection. So let's select this area here, and let's apply a border to this area as well. And we want a different border this time, so we're going to click the drop down button. There are several different shortcuts that are available. We can choose from bottom border, top border. We can choose outside borders, which I'm going to go ahead and click that. And what that does, when I click away, you'll see it. It placed a black outline around the entire selection, which is very different from this, which is all borders. That was outside borders. We're going to do all borders this time. Now what that does is it places a border around each individual cell, not just the selection as a whole. Also, if you would like to maybe change the color of that border, or you don't see the option that you're looking for in the drop-down list, come down here to More Borders, and you have your Format Cells window that pops up with the Border tab already selected. And we're going to change the color of those borders from the default, which is black, to maybe a darker blue color. So let's choose this blue color here. And now nothing is going to happen until we actually apply this to our preview area here. So it still shows black borders here in our preview. We're going to say, let's do an outline. Click the outline button, and it changed the outline to the blue color. And let's click this button here, and it will change the inside as well. There's a lot of different shortcuts that you can use. Go ahead and click OK. And now you'll see that our borders are now blue rather than the black original default. And that concludes our lesson on designing borders and backgrounds.